All right, let me show you something. Okay, look at this. Profit is super important when you're selling physical product. When you're selling anything, profit is really important. And I did a little test, okay? Last week, we did a 2,400 sales day, whatever, 7 days ago, March 16th. Yesterday, $1,900 sales day. But look at the profit difference on these days. $651. I have a fear that my big head is blocking this one. $527. Now that you remember it, we can go here. Now, what's the difference on these guys? And don't worry about this stuff at the bottom. This is just, okay. So 56 orders, 71 sold, 42 orders, 56 old. This day actually has a refund going against it. I can't click on this, it's a screenshot. Ad spend is the difference, okay? And now a lot of people somehow seem to have forgotten why Amazon is so awesome and such a big opportunity in the first place. You rank a product on the first page and then they bring traffic to you. And it's easy to get caught up in seeing how many sales you make with ads and just thinking like, I should keep doing that because we make a lot of sales doing that. Yeah, but look, we sold $600 less and made $150 more on the day that I cut ad spend way back. And so there's phases to these things, right? And over the course of today's video, I want to show you a little bit about that general idea, because it's like we've gotten so far. This was common sense to me when I started, and it was talked about, I feel like, more in like 2018, 2017 when I was, watching YouTube tutorials about Amazon FBA. It's like the goal of selling on Amazon is like you get your product ranked and then you make a lot of profit, right? You're kind of giving up a lot of the profit in the beginning. And now it's almost at this place where it seems like it's like people don't differentiate between launch, scaling, sustaining, and it seems like there's all just these like vanity metrics of like, look how much sales we're doing. Yeah, but I want to pay myself. Like, I don't know about you guys, but like, I want to put the money in my bank. Okay. And buy more pens and cool stuff like that. So let me share my screen again, hop back over here and walk you through step by step how to do that. Because like it only takes, by the way, that was primarily one product. We have two products, but it's very split, like big difference in revenues. It's like almost all the sales come from one product. We do like 8K with the other product. Kind of like a cleanup SKU for a variation of the search term, honestly. Check this out. So we're going to be using a tool called Helium 10. For those of you who don't know Helium 10, it is a product research software. It's a keyword research software. It's a revenue viewing tool. It's a profit calculator. It's like everything. There'll be a link in the description, by the way. You get it for 20% off for 6 months or 10% off for life, whichever one. I almost said cracks your cookie. That's definitely not an expression. Whichever one you prefer. We'll just not use an expression. And it is an affiliate link, so it helps support my channel if you like supporting people. I'm going to select a few categories here, and don't worry too much about what I'm doing right now, actually. I'm just trying to basically show you an example. So here's the way that this works. You want to rank a product that you sell between like $30 and $50, $20 and $50, somewhere in there. And the revenue does, we use kind of like my numbers there. If you want to do those kind of numbers, you do like 30K to 56K or something like that. Okay. But again, you just need like one product doing those kind of numbers and you're set. You're set. I mean, you're not set, like you can't get a Lamborghini or anything, but that's like most people would be very, very happy with this. And review count will just go like 500. So check this out. Any one of these products now, laser marking spray. Sure, let's do that one. Like this could work. Black laser marking spray. Okay, so now look what we do. We go first, see how much they're selling. I didn't even look, to be honest. 70 grand. Okay, so they're doing better than me. Laser marking spray. Come up here. 70 grand, you're doing like almost 20 plus K a month in profit with a product like that. Now check this out. Okay, this is actually great. This is great. Great example. So what you want to see when you search the main search term, and it does have 2,000 search volumes. So it's not a zero search volume thing. It's actually a pretty good amount of search volume. What you want to see is that the organic positions are held by like boring products that have higher price points. Organic positions held by boring products that have higher price points. Because these $30 to $50, $25 price range, awesome. Main images, great. If it looks like you can go into the back of a Lowe's and there's like some guy in a vest who doesn't look like he's, left that end of the store in like 20 years, you know what I mean? And he helps you out and he shows you the product. I don't know where I was going with this. If the product looks like this, you can compete with this. Okay, this is not modern branding. Any good graphic designer can help you out here and create a product that's much more like what the customer here would want to buy. Okay, these are really outdated is what I'm trying to say. And then look at this. The organic or the sponsored positions are all taken up. Very good sign. That's a sign that the ads are profitable. If the sponsored positions are held by the people who are already organically ranked high, that is a good sign. Okay, because it means they're profitable. These are older listings, 1,000. This one only has 80 reviews. Okay, 300 reviews on this one. Check this out. We're going to go analyze products. Now I want to show you something. Look at the revenues that these are doing. 70,000, we know that one. The other one does 47 grand. And where's the third one? The third one does 12 grand. All of these products are crushing it. Okay, and there's not many of them, and they all look like our friend from the store that I explained introduced us to them. That's a very good sign. So what that allows you to do is come in here. You could read the reviews if you want. I'm not going to take you through the whole differentiation process right now. What I'm trying to say is that mostly you just need inspiration, because I just showed you how easy this kind of is. And do your due diligence. Okay, I'm not saying this is the perfect product, go sell this. Again, disclaimer, right? A quick example to make a point that I'm trying to make. But I've been selling on Amazon for 6 years now. It's all I've spent my ecom career doing. I dabbled with like Shopify for a little bit and then just laser focused on Amazon for the past 5 years. First year was dabbling. If I had understood this sooner, the rank your product high with an old boring market and be the only one that looks exceptional. By the way, give you a quick example of what does exceptional look like. Go look up seltzer. Go look up seltzer, okay, and look at, okay, there's Polar, that's the standard one. Spindrift, that looks damn good. Okay, there we go. Oh, they made 12-ounce cans. Nice. Check it out. Liquid Death. Okay, that looks very different, doesn't it? That looks very, very different. That's what you do here. Okay, you carve out, sorry, we got rid of what I was trying to click back to. You carve out a creative style that slaps the customer in the face. And what that allows you to do is once you go through that period of running ads, doing your launch, posting on social, working with influencers, building that sales rank down low, hammer the sales rank down low. There's a time and a place to spend a lot of money. Then start slowly watching organic to sponsored sales totally changing. I'm going to really quickly, give me 1 second. Okay, we're back. Check this out. New screenshot, updated screenshot. Oh, I got to share again. By the way, if you like these kind of wacky videos like this, really, that's what... Don't play me like that. Subscribe. Subscribe. This is high value content. All right, you're going to have to... I can't make it bigger. That's what she said. Okay, look at this. 31,000 in sales organically, $11,000, and this is February 21st, March 22nd, 2025. 11,000 in sales sponsored. That is how you have to sell on Amazon for it to make sense. You have all these people talking about, oh, I failed Amazon. Oh, I couldn't get it. I spend too much on ads. Yeah, you have to make a great product with really cool packaging that stands out, get it to the top of the page, and then leave it there, and then turn the ads way back as you get that thing ranked up there. Okay? Then in the beginning, it's like spend money on ads. Towards the middle, it's like break even on ads. By the end, it's profit on ads. After the end, I don't know why I set it up this way. Sounds very spiritual. After the end, really profitable ads only. And shifting most of your sales, that's 75% of sales are organic. Okay, so that allows you to actually sell one product that does, it's like basically the split here is like 32K and then 10K, not even. 35K and like 9K or 8K on the second product. So just two products. Like you can do this. Trust me, you can do this. This is not hard. This is not impressive. People do much bigger numbers than I do. I'm a very regular guy who has a ton of faults and has made a ton of mistakes in this business and still was able to grow a reasonable sized business doing this. And by the way, there'll be somewhere on the screen right now a spot to says let's talk. You could book a one if you need help at all with any of this. If you're brand new, don't feel like you can't book a call either. If you're still doing product research, that's fine. I can help you with anything. And yeah, hopefully those of you who need that, I'll see you in there. Other than that, you just subscribe here for free videos and I'll see you in the next one. Later.